Solana is not exactly a new cryptocurrency, but it has only gained traction and widespread popularity in the last few months. Its astronomical rise upwards has attracted the attention of many investors, helping them to discover the project's high usability and incredible functionality. With so many people jumping in on the Solana hype, many are left wondering whether the coin is a good long-term investment or if they should dump whatever coins they have bought before it plunges deeper than it has already. Unfortunately, we cannot give you financial advice and won't be able to tell you what to do with your coins. That is something you should decide for yourself. However, Solana is a really interesting project, and we wanted to take a look at what potential it may have in the near future. Without further ado, let's take a look at our Solana price prediction. Welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel, NFTs Explained. But before that, do check our description. There we have links of some amazing courses which will definitely help you in your crypto journey. So without any further delay, let's get started. Solana price analysis. Solana SOL price only started rising back in February, when the whole crypto market was mooning. Unlike other crypto giants, however, Solana price didn't feel the crash in late spring of 2021 as strongly as Bitcoin or Ethereum, although its price did decline. After a rather slow and uneventful June and July, Solana price shot up in mid-August and continued to rise until mid-September. The cryptocurrency seems to be going through a correction at the moment as SOL price has been in a slow decline over the past few days. Solana has an all-time high of $260.06, and its current price, at the time of writing this article, is $181.30. Solana is also included in the list of which coins will explode in 2022. Solana's price today. Solana is a highly effective, fast, censorship-resistant, and incredibly secure blockchain. It utilizes blockchain technologies' permissionless nature to provide efficient DeFi, decentralized finance, solutions. Although the initial work on the project began in 2017, and it was launched back in March 2020, it was only noticed and found acclaim in 2021. The coin quickly climbed up the market cap rankings, going from position 42 in February 2021 to rank 7 in September of the same year. How did Solana's price rise so fast? Solana has excellent fundamentals and is an incredibly efficient coin, but the catalyst that catapulted SOL coin price to the moon is an NFT project called the Degenerate Ape Academy. Launched in mid-August on the Solana blockchain, this project sold over 10,000 smoothest brain apes in a matter of minutes. In contrast to the highly popular NFT launches on Ethereum, the minting of the apes went very smoothly. No congested network, no inflated transaction fees. Everything was comparatively in order. As a result, many people who have previously never heard of this innovative project noticed Solana and the benefits it provides. This led to a month-long Solana's price spike. Solana price prediction 2023. If the upward trend continues and Solana doesn't get dumped, we may see it reach $450 in 2023. However, when it comes to crypto, it's better to be cautious. Our Solana price forecast estimates that SOL price will hover around the $400 mark in 2023. Solana price prediction 2024. If things go well, the price of Solana can hit $500 in 2024. That will strengthen its market position and firmly make it one of the top assets in the crypto world. Solana Coin Price Prediction 2030. It is hard to make long-term crypto price predictions, as the cryptocurrency market is highly volatile. However, we can make some wild guesses and estimates. There is a possibility that the entire crypto industry will crash by 2030 due to strict regulations or a more innovative competitor coming to overtake blockchain and cryptocurrencies. However, that possibility is as much of a wild guess as that Bitcoin will oust USD and become the official currency of the United States. Our Solana price forecast for 2030 is this. If the coin proves its worth and continues to be one of the top cryptocurrencies on the market, it can go up to as high as $3,000 in 2030. Market predictions. Experts seem to have wildly different opinions on the future of Solana and SOL price. Coin Price Forecast has bullish predictions, expecting Solana to have a return of plus 236% by the end of 2025. They predict that Solana crypto prices will storm the $360 mark at the beginning of 2023. Additionally, they think that $1,000 is a very real possibility for Solana coin in the next 10 years. On the other hand, David Cox, an expert at Crypto News Z, has a bearish outlook. According to his Solana technical analysis, the coin will hardly be able to stay at the $100 mark and is likely to drop below it in 2022 and beyond. Now for closing thoughts. Is Solana a good investment? Is a high-risk, high-reward type of asset a good fit for your investment portfolio? If so, then Solana may be the cryptocurrency we're looking for. Unlike many other fast-growing coins or tokens, Solana is recognized and praised by the crypto community for its technical superiority and efficiency, which gives the coin a good chance to stay afloat and keep growing in the future. Solana is as fast as some centralized systems, making it highly future-proof. It has the potential to become the catalyst that will convince people to switch from centralized systems to decentralized ones. Essentially, Solana combines the usability of mainstream centralized platforms with the incredible security of decentralized ones. If our Solana forecast is to come true, as well as the Solana price prediction, 2022 and beyond, made by the experts and SOL investors at Coin Price Forecast, then the future price of this cryptocurrency may rise astronomically, making it a very profitable investment. Even if Solana doesn't shoot for the moon, there's still a chance it can become a good investment as long as it doesn't crash. However, if it does crash, you will still be able to make some profit by short-selling SOL currency. And do take note that this is not financial advice. So dire before engaging in any kind of financial activity and invest at your own risk. That's all we have for you today. If you enjoyed the content of this video, then give it a like and subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell icon so that you get notified every time we upload a new video. Until then, peace out.